If for any reason you would want to take a backup of this machine or to load a backup in the machine, you can come down here to System, insert your USB into the USB slot here, select USB Functions, and we give you two choices. Write to System, meaning if you want to put a backup into the machine, or you can take information off the machine and write it to this USB. If we're taking a backup, we're going to choose Write to USB, and as you can see here, it only gives you system settings. We can go ahead and select it and ask, are we sure we want to take the system settings from this machine? You can hit yes. And then if for any reason we needed to take a backup off a USB and restore a machine, we can go under System, select USB Functions here, and this time we want to write to System. You can see a couple of different options here, but for just putting the backup of an existing machine into this power source, we just want to choose System Settings right here. We'll select it. And once it loads to 100%, we can go back home and we've loaded the clone back into the machine off the USB.